Yeah, good afternoon, friends. Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. Somehow today I just want to discuss one topic. One of the topic which I am actually having one of the most interest and some of the thing is that I have observed and listened to some of the podcasts and audios also of the various people, and this is one of the booming topics in management as such as so we call EI, particularly so what emotional intelligence. Like this is one of the best topic what I prefer nowadays. Actually, when you talk about human resources practices and all, somehow there are four questions are available. There is one question we always know: the people who are quite intelligent. So these people are called as IQ. Their IQ is good when they are good in studies, surely okay, and that is what we understand. But gone are the days nowadays. Somehow the intelligent quotient is concerned now. Some of the management practices are looking more than ahead. So when you talk about Japanese management systems, okay, they ask actually at initial come with the hands. Then actually they come ask about the talking about the brain and all. This all actually it will come into training and all, right? We talk about actually other question side that is another question which is actually SQ and all. That's something very additional when we talk about that. Okay, but now we talk about the emotional quotient as such. Now, emotional quotient and as per developing actually the emotional thing is something very high level talents, right? Some of the person who is can identify certain things without being actually spoken by a person or communicated by that person. This is something very booming. As such things are concerned nowadays, there is a need and requirement to identify actually, particularly the sympathetic part and empathetic part is also very important. When we want to actually work at certain levels, like, for example, if you are working, so that required actually